Tinder is reportedly launching an AI-powered tool that will make it easier for users to choose better photographs for their dating profiles. The dating app claims its new photo selector tool will take out the guesswork when selecting your most flattering photos by curating a broad collection that is optimized to help users find a match. To use Photo Selector, users must shoot a selfie on Tinder and authorize the app to access their device's camera roll. Tinder's new AI function will then use facial recognition to compile a selection of photographs that the user can assess and upload to their profiles. The curating process occurs on-device and does not transfer the user's camera roll to Tinder's systems. We've asked Tinder to clarify the criteria used to select photographs and will provide an update if we hear back. According to Tinder, Photo Selector's goal is to assist users focus on making meaningful connections by saving them time when creating dating profiles. Tinder claims that in a study of 7,000 18-25-year-olds, it discovered that young singles spend an average of 33 minutes picking the appropriate profile photo. The new Photo Selector option may help to alleviate this, but it is unlikely to address the underlying issues that are generating dating app fatigue. Photo Selector is accessible for iOS and Android devices, with the US deployment set to begin in July. Tinder promises that support for overseas markets will be available this summer.